EYEFIT trnr, a game console that improves your vision. With EYEFIT trnr, you can play exciting games and train your eyes. But how is it possible? It is commonly believed that video games impair vision, isn't it? Everyone knows that eye training is useful. There's a very effective point-on-the-window exercise. You focus on the point and then on the distant object. Repetition of the exercise tones eye muscles and improves blood circulation, and as a result, improves vision. However, exercising is tiring, especially for a modern child. But imagine, a point on a window moves, interacts with you, turns into a robot, or a spaceship. All of this is possible with EYEFIT trnr. Install an application on your smartphone or tablet. Turn on Bluetooth and establish a connection. Place it from 3 to 5 meters far from you. Choose any game that you like best. Enjoy the game and track your vision progress. The application will collect statistics for you. The device will never get bored. It will automatically download new games as they are developed. It automatically adjusts to your visual abilities and runs on battery power. The device is very light and portable. Eye exercises have never been so exciting. If you want to recover your sight, if you want to develop your child's vision, if you want to maintain visual acuity, use EYEFIT trnr. EYEFIT trnr, a game console that improves your vision.